Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, I'd like to show you the fastest way to turn on and off this option, and after that the personalization. So let's start with unrolling the top bar, unroll it fully, and here we have to find proper section, proper option, which is not available right here. A quick disclaimer, a quick tip: if we will start with the customization, then your device will automatically apply this option right here. If for some reason it did not, simply tap on this edit icon, and here we have to find the night light option, which is right here. So let's tap on it and hold it, and now let's drag it to this first section, so we will be able to have much faster access to it. So let's go back and let's find it. Right here we've got the night light, so let's tap on it, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, and then this mode will totally work for you. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, and the screen will get back to its normal stage, to its normal colors. If you want to enter the settings, you can tap on this night light, tap on it and hold it, and then you will be transferred to options. But I'd like to show you the full path of how to customize it, of how to get into that settings. So let's open the settings. And right here we have to find the display option. Now let's scroll down to find the night light, which is right here, and simply tap on this option. As you can see, before we will be able to customize it, we have to turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and probably here you can see the changes better. Here we've got the intensity feature switcher, so we can change the tones of the option. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, so it is almost invisible. There's literally no difference between the night light, which is set on the left, and the regular screen. And by going to the right, we can make it much warmer. It's of course up to you which option is the most comfortable for you. Here we can enter the schedule option, so none means that you have to manually turn it on and off. Custom time, so simply pick the time pick the start and the end time, up to you of course. And the sunset to sunrise, which simply means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based, so of course it's up to you which option you want to use. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.